Find the first term of arithmetic progression whose common difference is 2 and whose 13th term is 42. So what we have given? We have given common difference, so d is equal to, and we have given 14th term, so a, that put 13 is equal 42. This is given, and we have to find the first term, a1. That put that this is a1. So we will use formula for the a term and term of arithmetic progression. This is a1 plus n minus 1 times d. In this example, when we have given a13, so n is equal 13. So for n equals 13, what we have, a13 is equal a1 plus n is 13 minus 1 times d. In this example, we have given a13 is 42, a1 we don't know, 13 minus 1 is 12, and d we have given that this is 2. So we have 42 is equal a1 plus 12 times 2 is 24. We have equation with one unknown, a1. I will move 24 to the left side, so it will be 42 minus 24, this is equal a1. So a1, I will change the sides, 42 minus 24, so this is equal 18. We found the first term of arithmetic progression. This is my solution.